welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are new, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. Today we're going to be getting into this deer makeup tutorial. This is my first Halloween makeup tutorial for 2018. Before we move any further, don't forget to subscribe. It's the big red button down on this side. You cannot miss it. Also, don't forget to turn on your notifications. You'll be notified anytime I make an upload. And I kid you not, this month we're going to have quite a few uploads, so you definitely want to turn on that notification bell. If you are interested in seeing how I achieved this deer makeup look, keep on watching. Alright guys, so I've already done my base makeup. I figured it would be just easier to jump right into the tutorial itself. First, I'm going to use my ABH bronzer in the shade Rich Amber, and I'm going to start to warm up my face. So I'm applying this to my cheeks, my forehead, and my neck as well. And this is going to help me really layer my products and really builds up to the brown shade that I'm looking for. I'm also going to bronze up my neck, which is what I normally do anyway. Then I'm going to follow up with my Sweet As Cocoa blush from MAC Cosmetics, and I'm going to apply this right on top of the bronze areas on my face mainly. I wasn't sure if the shades that I was using was going to get me the color that I'm looking for, so I pretty much had to just build up my shades, and this is what I'm doing now. Now lastly, I'm going to use the shade Ethiopia from Juvia's Place. I believe it's an eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply that onto the areas that I've already warmed up, and I felt that this helped me really create the perfect brown shade that I was looking for. And I'm also going to apply it to my neck, mainly like the outer area of my neck as well. As you can see, we're looking real brown, real, you know, deer-like. Now I'm going to take my Snazaroo paint in the shade White, and I'm going to begin applying my dots. So I pretty much was just trying to figure out the best placement, and I wanted the dots to be as mirrored as possible, so I pretty much tried to apply them in the same places on both sides of my face. And then we're going to jump ahead, and I'm going to bring these down to my cheeks as well. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a smaller brush, and I'm just going to fill in where I see fit and just apply some small dots as well. So I'm going to begin to warm up my crease, and for this look I'm not doing any heavy eye makeup. I wanted to focus on the look overall, but I definitely wanted to bring a little bit of color to my crease area. So I am going to use my ABH bronzer in the shade Rich Amber, and then I'm going to use the Juvia's Place eyeshadow in the shade Ethiopia right on top. And like I said, I'm just blending this into my crease area just to bring a little warmth to my eyes. Then I'm going to use my Covergirl liquid liner in the shade Major Matte Black. This is a super matte, super black liquid liner, and I really love it. So I am going to give myself a little wing action. I didn't want to make them super sharp, but you know, things happen, and I kind of feel like Doe the Deer has been looking at a few of my tutorials, so I felt like it was only right that, you know, we created a super sharp wing. I'm also going to clean my wings up. I'm not going to show that here because I feel like it's very repetitive, but I did clean them up with just a little bit of concealer underneath to really get them super sharp. I'm going to fill my wings in, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to really focus in on, I guess, like my nose contour for the most part, because I really want to look as deer-like or as doe-like as possible. So for that nose contour, I use the same shades. I went in with my ABH bronzer in the shade Rich Amber, and then Ethiopia right on top, and I'm going to draw those two lines right down the outer edge of my nose, and then I'm gonna blend them out, and I'm gonna bring them all the way down to the tip of my nose as well, because I want those lines to go straight down, and I'm gonna just blend them out so that they're not super harsh. Next, I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Paris Super Slim Eyeliner in black, and I'm going to begin creating my nose. So for the nose portion, I wanted to focus right where the contour lines ended, and then just draw right in the middle area of my nose. I didn't want to take it super far out to the edge, nor did I want to go up any further, because like I said, I wanted this to look as much like a deer as possible. And I feel like deers have really cute little noses, and it's pretty much like in the center area of the nose, and I felt like doing this really helped me to create the best looking deer as possible. Then I'm going to go back to my eyes, and I'm going to first use my Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, and then I'm going to follow up with my Coquette Chronicles lashes in the style Laurel. So I applied my lashes off camera just to, of course, make it easier on time. Now I'm going to take my L'Oreal Infallible Nude pencil, and I'm just going to line my waterline. You can use nude or white, however you see fit, but this I felt like was a super light nude, so I felt like it was going to look good with the look, which is why I went with nude instead of white. Then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to shade my lower lash line. I did use the two brown shades, the Rich Amber and then Ethiopia, and then followed up with black. However, I feel like black really brings the eye area together, especially for a deer. To complete my look, I am going to fill in my top lip using my Kat Von D liquid lipstick. I believe the shade is Witches, but you definitely want to use a black lipstick for this, and I suggest a liquid lipstick because I feel like it's really going to give you the opaque look that you need. And then I took just a flat angled brush and just lightly dragged out the top portion of the lip just to give me like the little deer effect for the mouth, and I put like a little bit of clear gloss on the bottom. But that's pretty much it. I really hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.